Hey everyone, I'm the Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 21W17A for Java Edition. This snapshot introduced some changes to the caves and textures of the game, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the snapshot. Small drip leaves can now be placed on moss blocks in this snapshot, as opposed to their mechanics in earlier versions where this mechanic was not possible. Copper ore now drops 2 to 3 raw copper when mined, and this number increases with each level of fortune applied on your pickaxe. In addition, copper blocks are now crafted from 9 copper ingots, as opposed to the older recipe which only needed 4 ingots to craft a block. There was also a bug in the previous version in which you couldn't unlock the recipe for mossy stone bricks. However, this bug has been fixed in this latest snapshot. Candles had a similar issue, as all 16 variants of candles were not grouped together in the crafting table recipe book and previous snapshots. But this bug has been fixed in 21W17A. Another bug related to the knowledge book was found last week as well, and this dealt with duplicate recipes based on raw and ore smelting previews while in a furnace. But this bug has been fixed in this newest snapshot as well. The caves of the game have gotten slightly updated in this newest snapshot with the introduction of noodle caves, which are caves that are thinner, squigglier, and tighter variants of the spaghetti caves. Adding on, large ore veins, which were introduced in the previous snapshot, are now slightly rarer and slightly smaller. The ores in the vein are clumpier and less evenly distributed throughout the vein, and there is also a small chance to find a raw ore block in the vein. A bug was found relating to the super flat world type called the Void, in which the stone platform that usually spawns once is duplicated 9 times, meaning that the platform is significantly larger than usual. However, this bug has been fixed in the snapshot, so now it should be a lot smaller. Also, copper and coal ore in deep slate patches were not the deep slate ore types of those blocks. However, this bug has been fixed in this newest snapshot. There's only one change dealing with textures in this snapshot, and it deals with the new metal blocks. In 21W16A, this is what the iron, gold, and copper raw blocks look like, but in Snapshot 21W17A, these new blocks are slightly tweaked, as you can see on the screen now. And that is all for the snapshot coverage video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then please subscribe and drop a like. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our videos for content featuring mod and plugin reviews. If you'd like to read the full snapshot article page, then the link for the article will be in the description below. And if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to mess around with the new noodle caves with your friends, then head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching, I'm the Terrain, peace out.